everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me this morning is my husband Marcel, and we are en route to Miss Topsy's house. It has been a little while since we have been to visit her, and so we are going to see her today, and also, you know, just to check up on her, see how she's doing, and to bring her some items that were sent by donors. Alright, so please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so enjoy the journey with us. As usual, we have to say a special thank you to all our donors. Thank you so much. You have been, you know, a godsend, and you have helped us, and you have been helping us, and have been helping so many other persons, helping us to reach persons that maybe on a regular wouldn't be able to, you know, because of the resources. So just thank you so much. Thanks for your continued support, and may God bless you always. Alright, and so this morning we're going to Miss Topsy. We're bringing her some clothing, some item of clothing that was sent to us in a barrel, and this donor wanted us to bring these items to Miss Topsy. And also have to say special thank you to Warrell and the CB from the US, who has also sent a token for Miss Topsy as well. Alright, special thank you guys, and big up, enough love and respect every time. Wow, what are they doing now?
Drop that tree there.
Oh, look like them going to do a farm or something.
That's not one.
Those nice.
Variation.
Oh. And we have been having a lot of rain as of lately. A lot of rain. So whatever it is that we're doing, we try to do it early, so that we don't get caught up with the rain, you know, when we are in certain areas.
Are your phone not going to sign it, man?
Oh yeah? Oh, I'll take it out. The road somebody, everything a shake up.
That's never road is still like this, so that's nice.
How could I drive all the way up? Yeah. I mean, we have tried it before. We drive all the way up, but you know, it's at your own risk, because yeah, road bad.
Even when we drive around at the other part.
The other part is worse, I think. You think it's worse?
Well, we have bad spot at the two end, but no, bad still. Because when we come back down, we drive at this part, come down, we're safe rain fall.
Yeah, car slide off fair road.
Stone
to Troy. Not easy at all.
Long walk.
Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we have arrived, and so we're gonna head up by Miss Topsy right now. And of course, I never mentioned this before, but we are bringing her some groceries. And of course, we always have to say thanks to our donors who send us barrels from time to time so that we are able to bring food to the persons who are in need. Alright, look like them brush this road, Martin. Or just there, so.
Well, me, I see all the way up and say, look.
Yeah.
Like it's not so bad.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You hear some talking in the bushes?
Maybe a jack in there.
Jack in the bush. That's all about we did, because we can't laugh right now when we have this bag here.
Give me a bag, man.
Which one? This one heavy, you know?
Go on.
Oh boy. Alright. Ready?
People them there, they farm. Madigam.
Yeah. Wow. Oh.
I know what I say.
This is where we rest. Is that that look like arrowroot to you?
No, it look like turmeric.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Enough, you know?
A turmeric.
Wow. It's a lot. So you go all the way up.
Hey. Hello, I go on still, you know, you see that road there? You know, easy for one person take care of it, you know.
It's hard.
Like for
Weed it or something.
yeah, always I cut it. But if you got it far, So if him burn it, it'll be easier.
Yeah.
But see him brush it down there.
Now the grass look like the rain beat it down.
Animal they tidy.
Oh. Oh.
How make you go on so?
What?
How you going?
I'm going like. Boy, the hill is tough. But they're pretty close now though.
It's a good view there.
Yeah.
I saw Wilson's run.
Over that side there, so.
Yeah. See the tank there?
Mm-hmm.
And call that the parish tank.
Yeah.
See?
Mm-hmm.
So the concrete that way water run off.
Mm-hmm. Wilson's run. Huh?
That is the cell site tower.
Yeah.
So far there. You can zoom in more now, but show me hand them no so.
Stable right now.
Yeah.
Because you have the bag.
Mm-hmm.
I can't help you with that bag now, you know, because we're close, so you can't give me.
Alright, go on.
Go on.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, come.
No help, no one you help. I go on, no one you
Let me
go on.
go on. Wow. Up
You
here
know,
cool though.
reach us out. What you for doing reach us out?
And you go do it this morning, you know. You should have there front because the dog always.
No, you have to look out for puppy.
Dog always sends us first.
I miss the smoke.
You see smoke?
Mm-hmm. You know see it?
Mm-mm.
You know, say my eyes them no foggy.
There's no smoke this morning.
Oh yeah, I see. Take a look again.
Wow. Oh Lord. Watch ya. Oh, see puppy have our puppies there. Pretty.
Oh no smoke now go on.
Yeah, yeah. You probably saw it to feel the heat from the kitchen. Oh, look at the cute puppies. Watch out, Miss Topsy. Hey. Miss Topsy. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh Lord, that one is all together different color.
I them the name puppy.
Yeah, and them a bark too.
Puppy now bark this morning.
Miss Topsy, how you do?
Miss Topsy, good morning.
Good morning.
You feel sick? Oh.
There's no doctor now. Where here?
You go to doctor? Oh, you were sleeping.
You see the walk, the feet are lay down.
Oh, you can't lay down. What happened? You feel better when you sit up?
Not then get a dose.
Oh, so which part you did sit down? Oh, in the settee? Oh.
Mr. Abway, a long time I no see you.
A long time I no see where you say you want it? Oh, or down here?
Anyway,
Oh,
sit down.
yeah. So you have extra company, Miss Topsy?
What the
The puppies.
And people have begged me, but they not give them.
Yeah, you want your company, not true?
Yes, ma'am.
They're so cute too. And this one is all together different color.
Yeah, black and white.
Uh-huh.
You not call him white man. White. A woman, you know.
A woman. Oh.
You gave back your white blouse today.
Yes. So how are you otherwise? I say I went to the doctor. Is your appointment you go?
No, me go, to me feel sick. When me go, them say the doctor say the blood, no, the blood low.
The blood sugar low?
Blood sugar low. So which one of them attack? The pressure or what?
I think your blood glucose, I'm not even sure. Oh, it wouldn't be the pressure, it would have been the sugar, the referring to.
Yes, this way you want
I think.
This way you, excuse me, boss. I answer you. Me say hello.
I think so, I don't remember, but everything good one.
But the body part no feel so good.
Oh.
I may have one whole heap of story I will tell you.
Oh, what happened now?
So what happened?
Yes, when you come, look for the medication and come.
Yeah. Oh God. Yes, this, me don't know about sugar, but it look to me like a the sugar. But me sometimes me take little sugar. So,
Oh, so
this a syrup.
oh,
That's a syrup. And
this is a dietary food supplement.
then we have these. And the white one finished.
Oh, that done.
So me I go back now from the top take the sugar pill.
Wait a minute, the doctor said if you stop taking? Are you stop taking? Why?
Maybe me don't know if it and them that will work.
Oh, but so the doctor knows so you had those taken?
The sugar.
So if you know and he give you these, that means say them okay together. It's okay, I would think, because I guess you would have tell enough to take it with it.
It's better consider. So
But when you go back, you check with him and ask him just to be sure. When you go back?
I go back. When I go back. 1, 2, 3, 6 days left in this.
Okay. So sometime next week.
Yes, sometime next week. Yeah, so me take it out.
Yeah,
But this one
that
finished.
finish.
But me take the pressure pill, but me say me don't know which for them big sufficient. Then call the pressure blood sugar and then call the blood sugar.
No, me not think they mix up here. Why you think they mix up here? Why you think they mix it up, Mr. Topsy? Why you think they mix it up? Now your blood sugar have to do with your the sugar. The blood sugar. You said them say it low.
Yes. So, me understand, you know. The pressure, sugar, blood sugar.
No. Pressure is just pressure. Blood pressure. That's different. But the blood sugar now has to do with you know, having the sugar or the diabetes. So this is a blood they test and tell you that, right? They test it and tell you that, right? So that different from the blood pressure. That is associated now with your sugar, your diabetes that you have.
Oh, this.
When they talk about your blood sugar, yeah.
But me no.
But next time you go, ask the doctor to explain it to you.
Yes.
Right, so you can understand good what they mean.
Yes.
Oh, these puppies are...
Me no like see hear them a go so. Sometimes me run them out. And them are nasty up the place. Every minute day me have to continue
clean and so.
So water no come in to your house?
No, you know, we are right. We have holy rain just like you, but we all right. We're not wet up.
Water come in from here.
Oh no! So if you dry out and something, they come through the window. Oh.
It blew us up.
Yeah, because of this, some space in the window when you close it. Oh, you maybe you'd have to get tarpaulin and put there, don't?
As Juna did I say. But they have one nice big one. And Juna, let me cut it and give him peace. You have a put it over in bed.
Oh.
So he have in the room seal. So he want him to seal.
Oh, so you seal it with the tarpaulin.
and take two of the old sheet, them put them out.
Oh.
They are going like this love with them. And time me ready me when me feel good, me tear down everything.
Yes.
But you insist me no feel so well.
Oh boy, so Miss Topsy, we bring you some stuff this morning. Yeah, we bring you some more groceries.
Yeah.
We know you like coffee, so we put one coffee in there and your milk. And then the other stuff you can look on it when you're done. But yes, the last time we came we should have brought you some things and then it just totally slipped us. We should have we have some 90s in here that was sent for you by a lady from overseas. So we never remember, so we bring them this time.
You have plenty in there.
You have plenty. You have to just, I don't know, put them up. Time might come when you need them. Alright. So I'm going to put them in here. So here.
Thanks.
Yes. You are welcome.
All this today, Team Kenisha give me 90.
Give you some 90.
And clothes, me no want no clothes.
Yes, you don't want too much, not true?
No, for me no have nothing to pack them in.
Yes.
So me have enough clothes. The only thing me be shorter now. Shoes. The crepe I no did buy it. It's too big.
Oh, it's too big.
When we are walking heavy.
It's, oh no. Okay.
Heavy.
So what size you wear?
Me no know. I used to 6 me wear, but surely people them change up the
sizes.
So me not to understand it.
Okay, okay.
When me have done me never tell you what happened.
Yes, all right. And also I have another little token for you.
Yeah.
We'll give you when we are finished, but it was sent by Warrell and CB from the US.
Yes.
Right, so just say thank you to them. You soon get it.
Yes, yes. No, tell me something.
Yes.
You see, from me I go school. From me I go school, we can do arithmetic. But we will write and we will read. And we will do composition. But every time me I do arithmetic, we can't manage it.
Yeah.
And somebody have to do it for me. And sometimes teacher not even check it.
Teacher never check it.
No. And when time is ready, me carry it and them carry up here, or me carry up it.
Oh, okay.
You know, me check it. You go this marky, but you know check it. Me can't do arithmetic. The cipher in from here so gone.
No, Lord.
From there growing.
Yeah.
That's why me I say, when me rock my brain, me don't know if I did you never agree with me or what. All right. My mother died when she was 72. And you see, so you see down there, the people, them adopt me. When me was 3 months old. So a baby that, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, know nothing about my mother. I sense me big now. Them a tell me everything. Yeah, me don't know my mother.
Right.
But me never live with her.
Oh.
So, when she got passed off now, in a couple of years ago, she tell me, either my brother or one of my niece say, one woman but she grew with then liquor in her head. But her mother dead early.
Oh.
Yes. So me don't know for her mother.
Yes.
And she tell either my niece or my nephew, I don't remember which one of them, say, they expect baby and when he go, when he hang out the baby clothes, the lady liquor in her head. That happened my mother, but my grandmother now, they say the same.
The same thing happened to her.
Same problem. And some of me two people, two dead. The two boys, them, no Junior. Because Junior no case they grow here, so.
Yeah.
The two people, them had the problem with the hair when with the reading
Yeah.
or writing. So that's why now, when you know my heart, let me have the family of America. Me tell you no, can not give me nothing. Him say, me never send them to school. So me never send them to school. Them go to school, but they don't have no brain up here.
Okay.
Not the last one.
Yeah.
So that me had the problem with. In the head from me I grow. The alcohol when you send come give me, they use up every minute me have to wet the head. To get little ease, and the same way when me did the young.
Yes.
And what day me lay down there, everything this come up before me.
Yes.
So, me don't know how me manage with the phone. Me couldn't manage them other little phone either, you know.
Yeah. So the other one where you did have before, you prefer that? You manage that one better?
Which one?
The one you had before, the one when we came with the buttons.
The one with the button.
The one we have last time that we took that one and gave you this one. You prefer that one?
Something kind of manage a little better.
A little better. Yeah.
But all the phone we buy from my husband to Juna, but sometimes when Juna have money in change up in phone.
Yeah.
And my customer say, me I take phone and me can manage it. So me tell her say me I go carry back home, you know. Because me no want him take it and spoil up it. But me kind of.
But it's good for you to have a phone because you're mostly there here by yourself, so you at least need to know how to call somebody if anything.
Yes, that one little easier.
The next one? All right. So you want back the next one?
Yes.
All right.
Little easier. But when understand if it touch the green button, when me touch it, me not hear nothing.
You put it on your ears? All right, we're going to look at it when we're done. Next time we come back, we bring back the other one with the button where you can manage then.
Yes. And for me, this one me no call. And then pan me give them water in.
Oh.
So water I must want.
Want water?
I know it be you know a cat pan.
Oh.
Them they now go to do drink water. But them dash away in a house.
Oh wow.
Me no consideration me no have family I grew up. And me yes me grandmother, my mother died early. For when time them take my mother. My mother is small.
Okay.
So I problem with it, in our work with it. And our eye them better get dark.
Oh, okay.
My mother eye better get dark. She passed off when she pretty young, you know.
Yeah. How old was she? You remember?
72.
Oh yeah, you did say 70.
And she pretty young, she passed off. And I have one brother who passed off. And I see a problem with the head. He can't read. No.
Oh. So that is something that affect the family from
Whole
long
family,
time.
Yes. I don't know if Kenisha and I use glasses now.
Yeah.
I don't certain, but I think we see me in glasses.
Oh, okay. All right, Miss Topsy. So, all right, so we're glad we come and you're all right.
Yes.
Yeah, we're not stay along with you today.
And you might feel, maybe when you come back again, you will feel it.
You will feel better. All right, guys, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much to all our donors and everybody who support us. Thank you for your continued support, and may God continue to bless you, and your store baskets may never be empty.
Never empty.
All right, so until next time, stay blessed, and thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Thank you.
All right.